Wow! Yeah. I'm at work. Welcome back, fellow YouTubers. See all these boxes? This is what I do all day. I work for a pizza company, and I make boxes and do dishes, deliver food, you know, all the grunt work, while the high-paid guys upstairs who have a profession make the pizza and all that. Actually, I used to co-own a pizza place years and years ago, back in the early 2000s, and it's a rat race, man. I'd rather just be a driver. There's less stress. Well, actually there's more stress, but less responsibility, it feels like. So I brought you along with me today. I'm going to fold some boxes. As you can see, I already started back there. I have some more to go, and I'm bored and thought maybe you guys wouldn't mind if I talk to you a minute and do some work. So what we do is pick these boxes up here. Let's see which one's the top and the bottom. Oh, I don't know. Oh well. So we get out trusty knife, open the boxes up like this. And then we figure out which one's the top and the bottom. Okay, so it's flipped over like this. Yep, that's it. So, let's see. These few here, flip them over, and we begin. We just fold them up like this. If anybody's ever worked in a pizza place, I'm sure they know what it's like to fold 500 boxes in a day. We make our own pizza dough every day as well. I'm gonna try and make a video of us mixing dough and making dough balls. Show you guys a little bit of what DMBLAIR does day in and day out, along with making videos, which I haven't been able to do lately. I'm very sorry. Been having to step it up. I got more hours here at work, but more videos are coming, I promise. I'm gonna soon have some time off. I have some reviews on some vapes and stuff that I've been collecting up to do reviews on. I haven't even opened yet. I'm excited to use them, but I haven't had a chance to even do it because I want to make a video out of them when I do. Some mini presses. I got a mini press from T-Rex. And I got a small press coming here in the next week or two from Juice Box, the company that gave me the nectar collector to try out. But I would load these up on my DM Life channel, but I don't have that phone with me at work most of the time, so I'll just load them up to this channel and maybe just like them on the other channel so that they're there. All you guys that support me and comment, I greatly appreciate that. You don't know, my channel's grown so much in the last year. It's incredible. I'm truly blessed by all your dedication and your hard work to make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Share, comment, always comment, guys, even if it's bad, even if it's, that video sucked. You know, that helps me to know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. So as you can see, as we make them, we just stack them up. I mean, it's really not much to it. I mean, look, I don't even have to look at the boxes really to fold them. I mean, it's just repetition. It's kind of like when I was a drummer in the metal band I was in. Once you learn to do it and you do it, you can do it with your eyes closed. I mean, really no real skill to it. A monkey with a pencil wedged in his teeth could do this. More like a gopher around here. This is downstairs. We do all the prep work down here. And upstairs is the restaurant. We keep all of our stock down here, so I gotta run up and down the stairs a lot, which is really good for my recovery, my accident, because with my hip and pelvis crushed the way they were, the physical therapy guy wanted me to walk on these Stairmaster thing that just makes steps and you keep walking. I was like, fuck all that. Why does my insurance got to pay for that when I can just go to work? Make money instead of standing there in agony for nothing. So, you know, it's just a little bit of what I do a day. I mean, I probably do close to 45 hours, 50 hours a week here. You know, it's like trying to keep my car running. I got a new car since the other car was totaled. And this car, it's got problems. I mean, it's not the worst problems, but I mean, turn signals and headlights. You know, buy a 10-year-old car, you got 10-year-old car problems, you know? Feels good to own it, though. Last two cars got crushed up. I spent money to pay for them and was still paying on them when they got crunched. So every penny went to the car dealership instead of me. These are all large boxes here, I think. Yeah, these are all larges, so I'll probably just fold this one yet and be done. If you guys have any questions about what is coming up in the channel, feel free to ask. I mean, I'll tell you. I mean, I got some concentrates coming from Hemp Hop, Jordan over there. He and I are working some things out to do some more reviews for Hemp Hop. I actually have some pre-rolls and a hash that needs to be reviewed by them yet. I just got I got lots from Med Hemporium and Organic Entourage. Guys, if you're watching, your review of your I think it's Summer Haze. I think that's what it is. This next, I'm going to make sure that that's my next review, so you guys can, anticipate that. And I want to try and start doing some pre-roll reviews. I got a bunch of pre-rolls. I'm going to try and start. I get like a 2-hour break here at work, from like 1 to 3, because I'm here early in the morning, and then I'm here till 10, 12 o'clock. Well, not 12 o'clock at night, that's an exaggeration. I'm here till about 10 o'clock at night. So I do, time to time I do 12 hours, but it's really 10 because I get a 2-hour break because of recovering from my accident. I kind of need to sit down. So I'm going to start trying to do some vaping and pre-rolls and stuff like that, reviews in my car, isolates and stuff like that. I got a really cool VMOD, I think it's called, EVOD, E-V-O-D, for my concentrates and stuff. I want to start trying to do reviews of those in my little break, so I can try and be more regular for you guys. I appreciate your understanding in all my problems in life. I mean, we all got them. Welcome to life. What else I got coming up? Oh, I know I've been talking about this for a while. I've been wanting to try and do some videos on making edibles, or at least deboxylating, or or making butter to make cookies and stuff like that. Once I can get into a better place, those videos will come up. I'm currently looking to get into a better position here at work and stuff, and then I won't have to work so much. I'll have more time to concentrate on giving you guys proper information and doing it right, because I mean, for me to make a video and then just give you all the wrong direction and all the wrong information, it'd be useless. So, you know, I want to try and make sure that whatever I do for you guys, like I have in the last year and a half, 2 years, is always try to be as accurate as possible and pass as much knowledge, because that's what this is about, education. You know, the videos are fun, but they're more to educate you and entertain you at the same time. You know, camera guy, he's finally getting to get a foot into the door of the profession he's always wanted to be. So that's why, you know, he's always wanted to be a carpenter, and now that he's got the training, he's looking for the job to do so. So guys can you know, leave a comment, wish camera guy some luck on his new career. So as you can see, like they just pile up, you know. Do so many boxes in a day, it's like you don't even think about it. It becomes mind-numbing. Like, what do I do now? Well, I lift the sides, I push in the inserts, I flip the edge, I tuck in the bottom, screw up the top, flip in the lid. Ah, and a box is born. My Star Wars collection's growing. You guys know how I am about Star Wars. I just started painting on a new helmet. In fact, I got like 3 helmets. This is how busy I am. I got 3 Black Series helmets sitting in boxes waiting to be reviewed, to be opened up. Sitting in my little Star Wars museum, my friends like to call it. But you can look forward to those reviews here soon. I think it's a Shock Trooper and a Flame Trooper helmet, and I think there's another one. I don't remember what it is, but I just started painting on the Mandalorian Boba Fett helmet. So, does anybody watch Mandalorian? I don't have time to watch it. My Disney Plus or whatever, Disney On the Go or whatever channel. I'm gonna soon download that. I got a promo code for it from them to be able to check it out for, I think, 90 days for free or something. So I'm gonna try and download that soon, and then I can maybe catch up on that. Everybody talks about it so much. I just love Boba Fett. I'm big on Imperials and Scum. Rebels were never my thing. Luke Skywalker. I mean, come on. Your dad is like the Darth Vader. You know, he tries to give you the whole universe. And, I mean, come on. If there's any Imperial fans out there, hit the like button. Show me how many Imperial fans are out there. Hit that like button. I'm dressed head to toe in Star Wars. You just can't see it. I mean, see? A belt. I got a wallet. Necklace. That's not all. I got socks. Boxers. Trying to get a pair. Oh man, I'd love to have a pair of fucking awesome shoes with Imperial crest symbols all over it. I just got a really cool hat that says Empire. It's like a beanie, a winter hat. It has an Empire crest on the front. Really can't make too many more here. Stack's getting bigger. You're gonna be stacked taller than I stand. Alright, that's the last one. Alright guys, so just a little bit of an update video, bring you along to work with me. You get to see the awesome job that I do. So just, you know guys, just be patient with DMBLAIR, show some love, comment, subscribe, like, subscribe, hit the bell, ding 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 ding, hit the bell. The bell lets you know whenever I finally make another video. I'm sorry that you guys have had to wait so long. I know you're my loyal fans because you haven't unsubscribed yet, but it'll get better. With my recovery and having to double time it at work and DMBLAIR props, I'm back to making terrain again in my spare time, and I haven't been able to play Legions or paint minis because I'm between that and making products and hemp handling and providing medication to people in my area. I do a lot of free work. I give away a lot of you know, hemp products and stuff to people here in the area who need it, who truly need the medication but can't afford it. I know what that's like. I've been down that road. And I some of the reviewers that are on here, I try to, as they're starting out, try to make sure they have products to make reviews so they can show those to companies and let them know that they're doing work for them and helping them to get their medication out there. I mean, Capa Cup's coming up again, and I mean, I gotta soon start coordinating for another charity event. The Capa Cup, guys, please check it out. Capacquadron.net, C-U-P-A, it's C-A-P-A, sorry, C-A-P-A, Central Area Pennsylvania Cup, C-U-P, all one word, C-A-P-A-C-U-P.net. It's the largest Star Wars tabletop gaming event for charity in Pennsylvania every year. My friend Adam Landon and I are the co-founders. We work hard every year to make sure that Central Area Pennsylvania Food Bank gets what it needs to keep moving forward, because it works hard but doesn't get the recognition nor the funding it so sorely needs to help so many people in need in winter. And Rebel Cause, Caden, and Rebel Cause in Lancaster, and Rebel Paws for Animal Shelter. Him and his wife do a lot of hard work for the community. Soup kitchens, I go out there every year to the Capa Cup, and Caden and I get to spend a day together and hang out, a couple days actually. He comes out and sets out a stand to promote his awesome work and everything he's doing. Shout out to Caden Patrick for Rebel Cause. What a great organization. And then there's the Lightsaber Legion. I guess there's like a Jedi College. I mean, yeah, wow, talk about taking fandom to the next level. And then there's what else is there out there? There's the 501st. Some guys always come out from the 501st every year for our Capa Cup. It's 4 days and 3 nights at the Holiday Inn in Grantville. That's become our HQ, our home. We go there every year. And they come out, and we had Darth Vader last year. It was amazing. They help us to generate, you know, they help us to generate funds for donations. There's 30-40 different companies that sponsor us every year to give away products for prize support and raffle off to gain money for their funding. And then DMBLAIR props. I shout out to DMBLAIR for